Hello fellow carpet cleaners, welcome to another thrilling episode where we dive into the world of content marketing for the carpet cleaning industry. Today we'll uncover the secrets to creating valuable and entertaining content that will resonate with your target audience, boost your online visibility and establish your carpet cleaning business as a trusted authority. Oh, and do stick around until the end of the video where I will let you know how you can access a free course that will help you to grow your carpet cleaning business and take it to the next level. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage and let's dive right in. Part 1, content creation. First things first, let's talk about content creation. Remember, variety is the spice of life and your content should reflect that. Here are some content formats you can explore. Blog posts. Write informative and engaging articles that address common carpet cleaning concerns, share expert tips, or discuss industry trends. Infographics. Create visually appealing infographics that present interesting statistics or helpful tips in an easy to understand format. Videos. Produce educational or entertaining videos that showcase your services, provide carpet care advice, or feature client testimonials. Social media posts. Share bite-sized tips, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or customer stories on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Part 2, understanding your audience. Knowing your audience is key to creating content that resonates with them. To truly understand your target audience, consider demographics. Identify the age, location, and interests of your ideal clients. Pain points. Determine the common problems your clients face regarding carpet cleaning. Information needs. Understand what your audience wants to learn or discover about carpet care and maintenance. Part 3, content promotion. Creating great content is just half the battle. Promoting your content effectively is crucial to maximizing reach and engagement. Here's how to do it. Social media. Share your content across various social media platforms and encourage your followers to like, share, and comment. Email marketing. Send your content to your email subscribers and use catchy subject lines to boost open rates. SEO. Optimize your content with relevant keywords to improve your search engine rankings and visibility. Collaborations. Partner with local businesses or influencers to co-create content and tap into their audience too. Part 4, measuring success. Lastly, it's essential to measure the success of your content marketing efforts. Track key performance indicators like website traffic, social media engagement, and lead generation to gauge the effectiveness of your content and refine your strategy as needed. And there you have it. By mastering the art of content marketing, you'll attract, engage, and convert your audience like never before. So what are you waiting for? Go create some amazing content. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to get access to our free course that's going to help you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, just drop your email in the comments below and I'll email you back with the link to access the course. See you on the next video. Cheers.